Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Logitech G715 being inactive in Logitech G Hub on Mac. So the solution to this problem is pretty simple. First, make sure that the keyboard is on and it's connected to your Mac. Then just go to System Settings, and in System Settings go to the Privacy and Security. Then go to first Accessibility and make sure that Logitech G Hub agent is enabled. And not only that, but also that the Logitech G Hub is enabled. As you can see, in my case, it's not shown here. So if it's not in your case, click on plus, then find Logitech G Hub on this list, then click on Open and make sure it's on. Then go back and go down to the input monitoring, then add Logitech G Hub here as well. So it should be here, okay, and enable that. Then make sure to click on quit and reopen. Then also go to screen and system audio recording and make sure that Logitech G Hub is enabled here as well. And now it'll relaunch itself. And as you can see, it has started loading resources. So now you can see that your keyboard is connected and you can manage its settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.